workshop, I'm going to walk you through the technical aspects. So it will be a technical introduction of the software component, the basic station, and motivate why it's there, and then also show some examples, actually walk you through them, and I invite you to follow along if you like, or just enjoy looking at the screen. So why is basic station a thing? And I would like to motivate this with this piece of hardware. This is a miniature gateway, an 8-channel indoor gateway, which is quite minimalistic in its design, but also in its function. It serves a single function, mainly listening to LoRa packets and sending them off over the Wi-Fi backhaul. And it's quite a tiny platform. So it has it's built on the ESP8266 and runs at 80 megahertz and offers the application just around 50K of RAM. This is because actually the Wi-Fi stack runs on the same core, so we are sharing little resources, and this basically calls for a gateway client which is quite minimalistic in its design as well. With the legacy packet forwarder that's out there, this was not possible to do. It's also missing some critical functionality that is needed in order to operate these gateways at scale. For example, provisioning and configuring these gateways with minimal physical interaction. And you will see in the presentation of the software component that many design decisions have actually been driven by this hardware design to enable small devices being also part of the LoRa network as gateway components.